Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm excited about this video today. I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Tina's Reborns and More, Dory's Dollies, and Playful Reborns. They will all be listed below. You will want to go to every single channel. We're doing a collab with our elf babies, and I think every single one of us have a different elf baby. I think the same face and ears. I love the ears. But little bit different baby. I am loving mine. I got so excited in the unboxing. I forgot to tell you her name. I like that she kind of looks like a leprechaun with the red hair. So I'm naming her Laura after the, and yes, I know it's spelled different. It's a little different, but we're going to go with it. After the Irish song, and her last name is McTavie. So she is Laura McTavie, and I think it fits. I just love her. And everyone's asking what clothes fits her. Well, we're going to take a look. But let me tell you about the collab first. The five of us have got together, and today we're going to dress our dolls in some sort of red or Valentine's theme outfit and tell you about an exciting challenge coming up from the five of us on February 20th. We will be uploading our videos at 6 a.m. Central. You can upload any time of day. However, the earlier you get it up, the better, because the more people that might come watch. It's going to be called Show Us Your Elves, and that's the hashtag, Show Us Your Elves. And any elf at all that you have or you've created, or if you have an elf baby like that, we would love to see it. The other tag, since we're doing it on a Tuesday, is My Mythical Creatures that Tina at Tina's Reborns and More has created for Tuesdays. Anyway, let's try on some clothes. I hope you'll join us. The more the merrier. It's a great way to get to know other doll people in the community on YouTube. I've met so many good people that I call friends that I have met in person and have gone and visited. I absolutely love it. Okay, this is the outfit that she came in. Isn't it cute? I was surprised. And it's really a well-made little outfit. It's cute. Let me lay it flat and even so you can see it. I'm just going to leave her little bloomers on. This, to me, let me show you an 18-inch doll outfit. These are all inexpensive outfits that I bought on AliExpress. If they fit, I probably won't try them all on her today. But I bought these on probably eBay. I've had them so long, and some of them have never been out of the package. But I bought them inexpensive on eBay for 18-inch dolls. But yeah, look at the difference here. I think this is for a 16-inch doll, and that's why I brought it down. Let's see if this one fits her. She has big hands and big feet. So I'm not sure that the pants would fit. Look, this one even has a zipper. Can you believe it? And I got it for like less than $2. That's when eBay, you used to find all the great deals. Oh, good. Look, her hands go in. 1 and 2. Oh, these dolls are so stinking cute. I was so tickled when I bought her. I forgot to tell a lot of things in that video about her. I was just laughing. She's so cute. So if you're thinking about getting one of these dolls, oh my goodness, I love mine. Like I said, go see the others because they have kind of the same, only different. Okay, that's how the 18-inch doll's clothes fit her. It's not bad. If I were making clothes, I said I would go with the 14-inch, but I'll tell you, with her little baby tummy, I think I'd go with the 18-inch because this is not a bad fit. It's a little long. I'd shorten that and then I'd shorten the dress, but otherwise, I think that's cute. Let's do try on the 16-inch real quick. This is a 16-inch doll dress. Gosh, I think that's a cuter fit for a little girl elf. Happy Valentine's Day from her. Isn't she just the cutest? I just over the moon with this doll. Thank you for watching. Please do go by and watch each of the other channels. They have great, every one of them has more than just one type of doll. So if you're into, say, Blythes, or you're into Barbies, or you're into the reborn babies, go look. They probably have them. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.